Hello, my dear students. I welcome you all to the ScienceNest YouTube channel. Today, in this video, we are going to see how the thermal conduction is occurring through a solid substance. Normally, through a solid substance, conduction is occurring from particle to particle. These particles are known as atoms. Now, we will see how the thermal conduction is occurring through a metal rod. Take a metal rod and fix pins on it about 2 cm intervals using candle wax. Heat one end of the rod using the spirit lamp. While heating, the pins are dropping down gradually, starting from the heating end of the rod because of the melting of the wax due to the transferring the heat through the metal rod. Here you can see from the heating end to the other end, the pins are dropping down gradually. From this observation, we can conclude that heat transferred through particles of the rod starting from the heating end. This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel and click the bell icon to watch more videos like this.